When I was younger, my dad took me to a Twins game and I saw Joe Mauer hit a home run, and that was the first game I've ever been to. And it was just a really cool experience, and ever since then I've always wanted to play and be just like him. How do I improve? I just try to be consistent with everything I do. I try to focus on my exercise and my swing, but more recently I've been working on my arm. What motivates me? Pushing to better myself and become my best self. Coaches also motivate me to make myself better.
What is your best baseball memory?
I'd say playing in the section tournament last year for varsity. It was like really cool with all the fans there, and it was just a lot of good energy. After high school, I hope to go play in college. I'm not really sure where yet, but hopefully around Minnesota, maybe in Iowa or South Dakota or something like that.